In this video, we're going to show you how you can download and install iTunes on a Windows laptop or PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more tech tutorials just like this. Overall, this is pretty easy to go ahead and do, so let's go ahead and get started. First, on your PC, go down to this little search bar on the very bottom of your taskbar and type in Microsoft Store. Hit enter, or just once it appears, click on it to open it up. Now that you're inside the Microsoft Store, find this search bar up at the very top and type in iTunes just like so. When it does appear, you can go ahead and click specifically on the app or just hit enter after typing it in and find it in this section. Click on it to open up the apps page and you should see an option that says install. Go ahead and click on that blue install button and now just wait for that download and installation to be complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, but once it does install, go ahead and click open either directly from this app store right here, or you can now go back down to here and just search up iTunes and open it up through that. You may need to go ahead and just read through this license agreement beforehand or just simply skip through it and hit OK. But once you do so, you will have iTunes on your PC. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more helpful tutorials just like this. Have a great rest of your day.